When was the first passenger train ran in India? 1853. Who was the first Mughal emperor of India? Babur. Who was the first Indian to travel to space? Rakesh Sharma. Who won the first Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Dev Ki Rani. Who was the first Indian woman to win a silver medal in the Olympics? PV Sindhu. In which year Nota option was first used in the Indian election? 2013. Which movie won the first National Film Award for Best Feature Films? Sayamchi Ai. Who was the first female IAS officer in India? Anna Rajam Malhotra. Name the first missile developed in India. Prithvi. Who was the last Viceroy and first Governor General of Independent India? Lord Mountbatten. Who was the first recipient of the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna? Vishwanath Anand. In which year India won the Cricket World Cup for the first time? 1983. Who is the first citizen of India? President. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? Sarojini Naidu. In which year India won the first gold medal in Olympics hockey? 1928. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? Kiran Bedi. Who was the first batsman to score a double century in a one-day international cricket? Sachin Tendulkar. Name the first recipient of the Aadhaar card. Ranjana Sonawani. Who was the first Indian woman to become a Supreme Court judge? Fatima Bibi. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. When was the PIN system first introduced in India? 1972. Who was the first US president to visit India? Divide D as in Hoover. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Sukumar Sen. Who was the first Law and Justice Minister of India? B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament? Dadabhai Naoroji. When was the first telegraph line started in India? (1851). Who was the first Gupta king to issue silver coins? Chandragupta II. Who was the first Miss World from India? Reita Faria. Who is known as the first woman to drive a car in India? Suzanne R.D. Tata. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Ganesh Vasudev Mavelankar. Who was the first President of India? Rajendra Prasad. Who became the first person to get a pilot license in India? J.R.D. Tata. Who was awarded the first Param Veer Chakra? Major Somnath Sharma. Who was the first Indian to win the Man Booker Prize? Arundhati Roy. Who was the first Indian to win an Oscar award? Bhanu Athaiya. Who served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the first Miss Universe from India? Susmita Sen. Who became the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly? Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Where was the electronic voting machine first used in India? Kerala. Where was the first metro rail service introduced in India? Kolkata. When was the first general election held in independent India? 1951. Who was the first Indian Governor General of independent India? C. Rajagopalachari. Which is the first Indian Institute of Technology (IIT)? IIT Kharagpur. Name the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at the Olympic Games. Abhinav Bindra. Who won the first edition of the Indian Premier League (IPL)? Rajasthan Royals. Which is the first month of the Saka calendar? Chaitra. Which was India's first mission to the moon? Chandrayaan first. Jeev Raj Narayan Mehta was the first Chief Minister of which state? Gujarat. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning.